Want to get fit and feel amazing? HIIT is your answer. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a workout method that alternates between short bursts of intense exercise and brief periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. This approach not only maximizes calorie burn but also keeps your heart rate up, ensuring you get the most out of every minute. HIIT stands for High-Intensity Interval Training. It's a versatile workout that can be tailored to fit any fitness level, from beginners to advanced athletes. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply improve your overall health, HIIT has something to offer. It's the perfect workout, even if you're just starting out. You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is a little space and the determination to push yourself. Start with basic exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups, and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. HIIT workouts are quick and effective. Most sessions last between 20 to 30 minutes, making it easy to fit into even the busiest schedules. Despite their short duration, these workouts pack a punch, delivering results that are often comparable to much longer, steady-state cardio sessions. They burn a ton of calories. In fact, studies have shown that HIIT can burn up to 30% more calories than other forms of exercise. This is due to the high intensity of the workouts, which keeps your metabolism elevated long after you've finished exercising. You will get stronger and healthier. HIIT not only helps you shed pounds, but also builds muscle and improves cardiovascular health. The varied nature of the exercises ensures that you're working different muscle groups, leading to a more balanced and toned physique. And the best part? You can do it all right at home. No gym? No problem. HIIT is incredibly adaptable, allowing you to perform a wide range of exercises using just your body weight. This makes it an ideal option for those who prefer to work out in the comfort of their own home. HIIT uses your own body weight. This means you don't need to invest in expensive equipment or worry about finding space for bulky machines. Simple exercises like lunges, squats, and planks can be incredibly effective when performed at high intensity. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with just a little effort. Consistency is key, and with regular HIIT workouts, you'll start to see improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness in no time. Get ready to feel the burn and see the results. The intensity of HIIT workouts ensures that you're constantly challenging yourself, leading to faster progress and more noticeable changes in your body. Are you ready to unleash your inner athlete? Let's do this. With HIIT, you're not just working out, you're embarking on a journey to a healthier, fitter, and more confident you. So, lace up those sneakers, clear some space, and get ready to transform your life, one high-intensity interval at a time. Before every workout, we need to warm up those muscles. It's like stretching before a race. A warm-up gets your blood flowing and your heart pumping. This helps prevent injuries. It also prepares your body for the fun to come. Let's do some easy moves to warm up. Try arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Do each move for 30 seconds. Great! Now you're all warmed up and ready to rock your HIIT workout. Get ready to sweat. This is your 10-minute HIIT blast-off, designed to push your limits and get your heart pumping. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, this routine is perfect for anyone looking to get a quick, effective workout. So grab your water bottle, clear some space, and let's get moving. This 10-minute HIIT routine will challenge you. It's packed with high-intensity exercises that will test your endurance, strength, and determination. Each move is designed to maximize calorie burn and improve your cardiovascular fitness. Don't worry if you can't keep up at first. The key is to keep pushing yourself and give it your all. It will also make you feel like a champion. Completing this workout will give you a sense of accomplishment and boost your confidence. Remember, every drop of sweat is a step towards a healthier, stronger you. So, embrace the challenge and let's conquer this together. Remember to go at your own pace. Listen to your body. It's important to push yourself, but not to the point of injury. If you need to modify any exercises or take a break, that's perfectly okay. The goal is to keep moving and stay active, not to be perfect. Take breaks when you need them. Ready? Let's go! We're starting with a classic move to get your heart rate up and your body warmed up. Round 1. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Jump. Spread your legs wide. Bring your arms overhead. This is a great full-body exercise that gets your blood flowing and muscles engaged. Land softly. Keep jumping. Focus on your form and try to maintain a steady pace. If you need to, you can always slow down or take a quick breather. Rest, 30 seconds. Catch your breath. Take it easy. Use this time to hydrate and prepare for the next exercise. Remember, Rest is just as important as the workout itself. Bodyweight squats, 30 seconds. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. This exercise targets your lower body, especially your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Lower yourself like you're sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight. Engage your core and make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Up and down you go. Feel the burn in your legs and glutes. This is where the magic happens. Keep pushing. Rest. 30 seconds. You're doing great. Almost there. Take a moment to catch your breath and get ready for the next round. Round 2, high knees, 30 seconds. Run in place. This exercise is fantastic for boosting your heart rate and working your core. Bring your knees up high, like you're marching. The higher you bring your knees, the more you'll engage your core and lower body. Rest, 30 seconds. You're a HIIT star. Take this time to smile and appreciate your hard work. You're halfway through. Push-ups, 30 seconds. On your hands and toes. This classic move targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lower your chest to the floor. Keep your elbows close to your body to maximize the workout for your triceps. Keep your body in a straight line. Push back up. Engage your core to maintain proper form and prevent sagging. If this is too hard, do them on your knees. Modified push-ups are a great way to build strength if you're not quite ready for the full version. Rest, 30 seconds. You're getting stronger every second. Feel the progress with each breath you take. Round 3, reverse lunges, 30 seconds. Step back with one leg. This move targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Bend both knees to 90 degrees. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle. Push back up to standing. Switch legs. Keep your movements controlled and steady. Rest, 30 seconds. Keep breathing. You got this. Use this time to prepare for the final round. Plank shoulder taps, 30 seconds. Hold a plank position. Keep your body straight. This move is excellent for your core and shoulders. Tap your opposite shoulder with one hand. Keep your core engaged. Switch sides. This will challenge your balance and stability. Rest, 30 seconds. Amazing job! You did it! Take a moment to celebrate your hard work. You've just completed a high-intensity workout in just 10 minutes. Remember to cool down and stretch to help your muscles recover. Great job, and see you next time. Section 4, catch your breath, power up. Between each exercise, we take a short break. This is called a rest period. Rest periods are important. They give your muscles a chance to recover. They also help you catch your breath. But don't completely zone out. Use this time to focus on your breathing. Take deep breaths in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the energy building inside you. You're ready to tackle the next exercise with all your might. Section 5. Cool down. Relax and recharge. After an intense workout, it's crucial to give your body the time it needs to recover. This section will guide you through a series of stretches and breathing exercises designed to help you cool down effectively. Congratulations! You crushed that HIIT workout. Your body has worked hard and now it's time to reward it with a proper cool down. This will not only help you recover faster, but also improve your flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Now it's time to cool down. Cooling down is an essential part of any workout routine. It helps to gradually lower your heart rate and breathing, bringing your body back to a state of rest. Let's start with some gentle stretches. Cooling down helps your heart rate and breathing return to normal. Deep breathing exercises can also help to calm your mind and reduce stress. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. It also prevents muscle soreness. Let's stretch. Stretching helps to lengthen your muscles and improve your range of motion. It's important to hold each stretch for at least 30 seconds to get the full benefit. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. This allows your muscles to relax and lengthen, reducing the risk of injury and improving your overall flexibility. Make sure to breathe deeply and steadily as you hold each stretch. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs straight, reach for your toes. This stretch targets the muscles in the back of your legs, helping to relieve tension and improve flexibility. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Quad stretch. Stand tall. This stretch is great for the front of your thighs, which can get tight after a workout. Grab one foot behind you. Make sure to keep your knees close together and your back straight. This will help you get the most out of the stretch. Gently pull it towards your glutes. You should feel a gentle stretch in the front of your thigh. If you feel any pain, ease off a bit. Stretching should never be painful. Feel the stretch in the front of your thigh. Switch legs. Remember to hold each stretch for at least 30 seconds to get the full benefit. Cobra stretch. Lie on your stomach. This stretch is great for your lower back and can help to relieve tension and improve flexibility. Place your hands under your shoulders. Make sure your elbows are close to your body and your hands are flat on the floor. Push up, lifting your chest off the floor. Keep your hips on the ground and your shoulders relaxed. This stretch should feel good, not painful. Feel the stretch in your chest and shoulders. Hold this position for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and steadily. This will help to open up your chest and improve your posture. Section 6. You did it. Now keep going. Give yourself a high five. You completed your first 10-minute HIIT workout. How do you feel? Strong? Energized? You should. You took a huge step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, consistency is key. Try to do this workout 3 to 4 times a week. You can also try other HIIT exercises. Mix it up. The most important thing is to keep moving. Celebrate your progress. You're amazing. Now go out there and shine.